Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model a very simple and basic cartoon bee, honeybee. I'm going to model very basic cartoon honeybee in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our final render for our thumbnail. So this is our final render. I'm going to save this image, save as JPG desktop, and I'm going to name it as B. That's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because in future I will upload more 3D modeling videos and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.